Visiting Osaka Expo 2025. Don't forget to bring a water bottle, adult diapers, and a talent for looking confident while completely lost. Pro tip: maps are just a suggestion. Look online months ahead, then print it, screenshot it, tattoo it on your forearm, or have fun counting bumper stickers in the parking lot. Tip 2. The weekends will be a human blender. Weekdays still crowded AF, but now you can actually hear yourself think, and the best part? Weekday takoyaki lines are 30% shorter, which is basically winning the lottery. Tip 3. Plan your pavilion priorities. There are over 150 pavilions at Expo, so pace yourself, or you might black out and wake up mid-Austrian dance holding a stranger's schnitzel. Tip 4. Cashless is king, but carry coins because there's always that one old-school machine that only takes 100 yen. Tip 5. Respect the Expo etiquette. Don't cut lines, don't eat inside the pavilion, and definitely don't start an impromptu, viral dance in front of the emperor. Tip 6. Weather apps exist. Ignore them at your own risk. Tip 7. While Expo food selfies are almost always Instagram gold, acting like a toddler is not. Tip 8. Robots are cool until they suddenly stop waving and start calculating your weakest matrix. Keep a respectful distance. Tip 9. Every pavilion hands pamphlets. Remember to bring a second suitcase for the paper ones alone. Tip 10. Buy one souvenir, or 17. Just know you'll carry them home like a human piñata. Tip 12. Wi-Fi is everywhere except when it isn't. Be prepared to relive 1997 all over again. Bonus tip: remember to pack just the essentials. Nothing says Expo virgin quite like dragging a suitcase through a crowd of 50,000. And finally, don't forget to exit the Expo site in a cordial manner. Security appreciates it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. If you didn't, still subscribe anyways. It confuses the algorithm.